If you're looking for a quick fix for that annoying squeaky door in your home, I've fixed this issue many different ways, but today I will share my favorite method that lasts by far the longest, and you can do it right now. Now this issue is caused because of improperly lubricated pins inside the hinges of your door. So we need to remove the pin, wipe it off, get all the old gook off of it, and then lubricate it properly. To do this, you'll need two tools. First, you'll need a long, skinny screwdriver. It can be a flathead or a Phillips head, it does not matter, and a hammer. Don't need anything special, just whatever hammer you have laying around the house. Take the screwdriver, place it up underneath inside the bottom of the hinge. You'll feel it touch the bottom of the pin when you put it in there. Now take your hammer and simply hammer up. Now, if you run into a situation where your pin gets stuck and hammering from the bottom doesn't get you where you need to go, one trick you can follow is to put the flathead, which is why I usually use a flathead, on the bottom of the top of the pin, and then you can just hammer that up if it does get stuck. Now I simply use paper towels to wipe the pin off just to get the extra stuff off. It may be filthy, it may not, but just get it nice and clean best as you can. Now the product that we're gonna use is a white lithium grease. Now there are many different brands on the market. I'm a big fan of WD-40, which is why I choose this one, but I've used this for years and it always works well. The nice part is it's a spray, so it's nice and easy to use. So then I just spray a little bit of the grease right onto the pin. And then I'll just rub it around inside the paper towel to make sure that it's coated well. With the properly coated pin, we can now put that back inside our hinge. And more than likely, it's gonna go in pretty easy now that it's properly lubricated. And now my door closes without making a sound. But maybe you're having an issue where your door is getting stuck on the floor. Well, for more information on how I fix that exact same issue, check out this video. And until the next time, keep doing it yourself.